Afternoon world, it's Hippy Trev here. Welcome to another Cooking with Hippy Trev. Roll the intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Rightio world, I thought I'd better do another cooking show. Had to show off the new apron. Thank you Paddy and Nadette. Actually his name's Trev, but anyway, thank you Paddy and Nadette for my new apron, so I thought I'd better show that off. And the other thing is, talk about cooking with Hippy Trev. Well, I'm certainly cooking today. I don't know if you can read that. 36 degrees in here at the moment, so we've just gone nearly 7 in the PM. So if you're in the States or anywhere else that doesn't run in Celsius, it's 98 degrees Fahrenheit in the bus right now as we speak. Like I said, it's just gone nearly 7 in the PM. Yeah, so it was cooking with Hippy Trev today. I think we got up to about 39C here in the bus today, and it was just bloody warm. So I was going to get out on the bike today. Went down and filled it up, and by the time I come back, my jeans are pretty much stuck to me, and I thought, you know what, tomorrow's going to be a bit of a cooler day, so hopefully I can get out on the bike tomorrow. So, but anyway, back to cooking with Hippy Trev. So tonight, as you can see, I've actually cleaned my stove for the first time in ages. Actually, I cleaned it about a week ago. So anyway, so tonight is going to be something really, really boring. Snaggle bangers. Good old-fashioned snaggle bangers. Why are we doing snaggle bangers? Because our supermarket didn't have any other meat in it. Our supermarket was out of milk the other day. It was out of just about everything. It was out of bread. This was like 2 days ago. I don't know whether the delivery trucks aren't coming through or what's going on, but we had no meat, no nothing, and the only thing we could buy was sausages. So it looks like we're cooking with snaggle bangers tonight. So I'll pan warm up. So yes, it's the last couple of days have been stinking warm. There's supposed to be a just give me butter, which is looking pretty rancid. Well, not rancid, it's just looking a bit whatever. So here's the sun. So anyway, yeah, it's definitely been pretty warm the last couple of days. We nearly had a storm last night. I actually waited up till 2 o'clock in the morning in case I had to close all the bus windows. And the storm just went right by us, just north of, well, pretty much just north of it. There's lightning and stuff everywhere, but we didn't get to see any rain or anything, which was a bit of a shame, because it would have been nice to cool the place down. But tomorrow's supposed to be a cooler day, so I'll just turn that down a little bit. And throw in some wad of butter, plenty of butter. So yes, hopefully maybe tomorrow I can get out on the bike and get a ride in. So, but yes, went to the supermarket. Shouldn't need that anymore, but anyway. So yes, went to the supermarket the other day. Well, not yesterday, the day before. Actually, it was yesterday or the day before. I think it was the day before yesterday. There was absolutely no meat in there. There was no bread. I need a new pair of tongs, and Jen's second-hand shop hasn't been open for ages. Actually, what I could probably do is just, I could probably just drill a hole through there and put a pot rivet in there, which I might do. But the supermarket doesn't sell Teflon tongs. I don't think they even sell tongs at all. So I really need a new pair of tongs, and I don't even have some normal, non-Teflon tongs. So anyway, let's throw them in, get them cooking away. Cook them all up at once. I don't have to eat the whole 5 snaggle bangers tonight. I can just cook up them, and actually I like cold snaggle bangers, and I absolutely love cold pizza. I love pizza, and then you chuck it in the fridge, and cold pizza is probably the best meal for breakfast you could ever bloody get. I love cold snaggle bangers. So I'm just going to do these tonight. Put a little bit of salad with them. It's going to be a very simple meal. Like I said, I don't even know why I'm doing this. Well, so I'm only doing. So I'm sort of only doing this tonight. Just put out a cooking vid. I mean, it's like I said, it's just snaggle bangers, but I did want to show off my new apron to Paddy and his missus Nadette, and say thank you for that very, very, very much. And like I said, there was nothing else available in the supermarket except snaggle bangers. So. Some people like to cook them with onions and so forth. And they gave me some mushrooms, thank you very, very much, which I ate them. I cooked them up a couple of days ago actually, and they were bloody beautiful. I do have a habit of turning these fairly regularly. And I also noticed that my pan cooks hotter here than it does over there, so... Ow, that's hot. I really need to fix this sometime. Alright, we'll just let them sizzle away. So yeah, it's been pretty warm the last couple of days. We got to 38 yesterday here in the bus, and it was just really hot. I had the fan going. All it does is really push around hot air, and the thing is, it really only gets hotter from here. I think February is normally like our hottest month. I've been in here when we've had 52 degrees in here, and I'm still boiling the kettle for a cuppa. It does get hot here in here. I'm actually struggling this year. We sold the annex off Zippy yesterday for Joe, who bought Zippy. We sold the annex to some guy over in Scaryborough yesterday. He came over and got it while I'm standing out in the concrete. I'm actually burning the soles of my feet, and normally it doesn't bother me on the concrete, so I'm just not acclimatised to this weather at the moment. I think so. Yeah, I'm actually struggling a bit this year, and like the 38-degree heat today, that was pretty bloody warm in here. It's been pretty tough going. Give it more heat into there. Yeah, still at 36 degrees. Oh yeah, they're starting to cook off. This bloody thing of mine keeps falling off the end of me. Oh god, I really need a new pair of tongs. This one's these have had it. I should literally, like I said, take it out, drill a hole through it, put a pot rivet in there, and it'll be all fixed. So maybe I'll do that later tomorrow. I'm just waiting for these to cook off a bit. And shove the butter back in the fridge. I don't think we'll need that again. Now we all love snaggle bangers in bread with a bit of tomato sauce or a bit of Dijon mustard, but I'm actually going to put a bit of salad with it tonight. They're not cooked there, so I'll just keep rolling them over. I want them cooked all the way around on all sides. And I said this side of the pan cooks hot on that one, so it's a bit raw, so roll them into it. Rightio, well, they're really starting to almost get down to it now, so I'm going to start pulling out some salads from the fridge. Beetroot, lettuce, cheese, tomato. Now, what else we got in here? Olives. And a bit of dressing, that should do it. Alright, we're really starting to smoke up now, so these must be getting pretty close. Like I said, I want them cooked all the way around on all sides. Make sure they're cooked all the way through. And they're looking like that. There they are, they're really starting to get done now. Starting to smoke up a bit, but we won't worry about that too much. Give them a final turn. No special ingredients, like I don't sprinkle anything over them. Just cook them in butter and that's it. No, I've stopped using oil with the butter. People have certainly warned me off that, so I no longer cook with any oil in the butter or anything. I just cook straight butter only. Probably play them too much. Playing with my snaggle bangers a little bit too much. All right, let's get some salad on the plate. Oh, she's getting a bit smoky. All right, turn that down. All right, we'll just let that simmer a bit. So this is just normal old lettuce. It's actually having a pretty good shelf life. I think I bought this like a week ago, and because my fridge is nice and cold, it gives me a fairly long shelf life. Tomato. I love this knife. And tomato. Now we can go. Alright, that'll do that. They're cooked. Put them on the pot. Ah, see? Bloody tongs broken yet again. I'll definitely have to fix these tomorrow. Oh, jeez. Yep, I'll have to fix these tomorrow, 100%. All right. while the pan's nice and hot. She gets a wash. Give it a wipe down with one of my cloths, just like you would a wok. Ready to go for the next cook up. Rightio. Now, I love anchovies. I don't know if anyone loves anchovies, but I actually love anchovies. And they're so salty, instead of putting salt and pepper on my tomatoes, I'm actually just going to put a few anchovies on my tomatoes because they're so salty. I eat these things straight out of the can. I love me yum. I love anchovies. And I find if I leave them in the tin, they actually keep quite well in the fridge. Alright, bit of root beet. I love my root beet. Beautiful. I love this container. I remember my mum had one when I was a kid. And found this at Jen's Secondhand Treasures. Now, olives. Now, you get a new jar of olives, right? It's really hard to open. Well, watch this. You've got a jar that you can't open. There, popped. Open. There you go. So you've got a brand new jar of anything you can't open. Like it's brand new, you can't get the top off. Just crack it up against the side of something, you'll hear the lid pop. And there you go, voila, open. That's how easy it is. So instead of struggling with someone else to help to open the olives or anything else you need to open, just tap it against the corner of anything, like a wall or something. Just give it a couple of little light taps on the cap. The cap will go pop, and then you won't have any problems opening it. Job done. And unfortunately, sliced cheese. Unfortunately for me, it's the easiest way to buy cheese at the moment because it's just way too expensive and way too wasteful. Chuck a sausage on there or two. Bit of salad dressing. Even on the sausages. A bit of mayo on the sausages. Oop, probably too much. There we go. Yeah, well, a very simple snaggle bangers and a bit of salad for tea tonight. And like I said, I'm just sporting the new apron that Paddy and Nadette gave me. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. So like I said, there was nothing in the supermarket worth buying, and I'm just keeping a very simple one tonight. And basically what I really wanted to do was to show you how to open jars that you can't open, that you need to strong arm. Like I said, just bang them on the corner of anything and I'll go pop, and then boom, you can open the jar, no problem at all. And I really do need to fix my tongs. So anyway, well, that's it. Hopefully I'll get back out in the bike. I can't even get that in there. There we go. Right, well, so hopefully I'll get out in the bike tomorrow. It's supposed to be only about 33°C tomorrow, so let's hope it's cooled down a bit. I want to do a run down to Colston's Lakes, check out the local shop that's just opened down there. Be a nice little ride down, and it should be a nice little ride down tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. So anyway, well, cooking with Hippy Trev, cooking inside his bus. Absolutely, I am. I'm sweating like a pig. We're down to 35 degrees at the moment, so we've gone down 1 degree Celsius. So anyway, worlds, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.